Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, all protocol observed. I'm honored to be addressing you in this global forum for disaster risk reduction. Let me take this opportunity to convey greetings from the AUC Chairman, His Excellency Moussa Faki Mahamat. Allow me to express my gratitude to the government and the people of the Republic of Mexico and the United Nations Office for Disaster Risk Reduction for convening this global platform. The first after the adoption of the Sendai Framework in March 2015. Africa has recorded an encouraging economic growth over the past decade and became home to 7 of the fastest growing economy in the world. Despite this impressive economic growth, the continent continues to suffer from recurrent disaster that affects millions of people and have long-term social and economic impacts. Following the adoption of the Sendai Framework, the African Union Summit in January 2017 adopted the Program of Action for the implementation of the Sendai Framework 2015-2030 in Africa that was presented as an outcome of this 6th section of the African Regional Platform and the 5th high-level meeting on disaster risk reduction held in November 2016 in the Republic of Mauritius. Africa has endorsed a common position to reiterate its commitment to implement the Sendai framework, including through the African Program of Action to deliver on our commitment. We will facilitate the alignment, implementation, monitoring and review of the African Program of Action across the continent in line with Sendai framework. We promote the development and implementation of national and local disaster risk reduction strategy in line with the Sendai framework. Strengthen and institutionalize partnership with civil society, youth, women, local actors, private sector, academia, United Nations, international organization for coherent and coordinated support in the implementation of the Program of Action. Leverage awareness and advocacy to increase political commitment to mark the transition from reactive crisis management to proactive risk management, including through developing implementation capacity on the continent and strengthening community-centered multi-hazard early warning and response system. Facilitate the transition from risk information and awareness to risk knowledge and evidence-based policy making, including through the systematization of disaster loss accounting, risk profiling and modeling, and transboundary risk monitoring, increasing domestic resource allocation for disaster risk reduction and investment in climate service, while ensuring institutionalization and integration of disaster risk reduction and climate change adaptation into development sector vertically and horizontally. And the 7th point is integrate disaster risk reduction concepts and practices in educational curricula from primary to tertiary level. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, we remain committed to the implementation of Sendai framework together with the Agenda 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development, the Addis Ababa Action Agenda, and the Paris Agreement on Climate Change in Africa, in pursuit of the goal of the Agenda 2063, the Africa we want. We call for technical and financial cooperation from the international community for an effective disaster risk reduction in line with the Sendai framework and the African Programme of Action. I wish to acknowledge that the full version of the common position will be uploaded under the UN ISDR website. I thank you very much for your attention. Muito obrigado, muitas gracias, merci beaucoup. Shukran.